In this video, we're going to install Bitlocker on a Windows Server machine. This is a Windows Server 2019 standard machine. This is a virtual machine with no roles or features installed so far. So let's get at it. We're going to go to Add Roles and Features. At the Before You Begin dialog box in this wizard, this is the Add Roles and Features wizard, we're going to click Next. Here under Select Installation Type, we'll choose Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. Down here under Server Selection, in this case it's a standalone server. I'm going to make sure I have Select a Server from the server pool selected up here, but I only have one server to choose from since it's a standalone server, so I'll make sure that's highlighted and click Next. Now we have server roles, and you will not find Bitlocker here. It is not a role, it's a feature. And so we have to get down to this features section in the wizard, so I'm just going to click Next. Now we're in features, and the one I want is Bitlocker Drive Encryption. So I'll click that. This window appears with the add features that are required for Bitlocker Drive Encryption. This is to allow additional features that are required for this feature to work. So I'll go ahead and say add features, and this include management tools if applicable should also be checked on. Now we have the Bitlocker Drive Encryption selected, and I will click Next. And now it says to install the following roles, role services or features on selected server. Click Install, and here is the restart the destination server automatically if required. I like to turn that on. It's not on by default. That way I don't have to restart it manually if it requires it automatically. And of course it gives me this warning here. If a restart is required, the server restarts automatically without additional notifications. Do you want to allow it? And I'm going to say yes. Now we simply click Install, and we wait for Bitlocker to install. I'll pause the video here. Alright, we're back. It is just now restarting. Again, I'll pause the video. Alright, we are back and ready to reboot our machine. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to Action here, Control-Alt-Delete, and I'll put my password in. Server Manager should automatically start itself, unless we've turned that feature off. And now we should be able to go to the control panel. I'm going to click Start, and I'm going to type Control Panel. We'll open the control panel. And now we should have Bitlocker here. I'm going to go the easy route and just type it in the search up here. And there it is, Bitlocker Drive Encryption. If you want to know, it is under System and Security. The long route to that would be here under System and Security, and then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. And there you go.